Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update iOS and Cash App, sign into the same Apple ID, and verify your Cash App identity. Once those checks pass, open Cash App and tap the Profile or Banking tab. Make sure you're using the account you want to link. Next, prepare to add a card. You'll need a Cash App card or a linked Visa/MasterCard debit on file. This immediate setup avoids backtracking and gets you into the linking flow straight away. Once done with prerequisites, in Cash App tap Cash Card and choose Add to Apple Wallet. You'll be prompted for verification. Enter the CVV, billing ZIP, or let the camera capture the card. Make sure to accept any prompts from Apple Wallet to add the card. If Cash App requires extra verification, request the SMS or email code and enter it promptly. This step ties Apple Wallet tokenization to your Cash Card, which is why the accuracy of billing details matters for successful addition. To finish, approve the Apple Wallet prompts, and if you want, set the Cash Card as your default. Once added, test a small transaction using Face ID or Touch ID to confirm payments work. If the card won't add, make sure your billing address in Cash App matches Apple ID, reboot your device, and try again. Sometimes removing and re-adding the Cash Card resolves tokenization errors. If problems persist, contact Cash App support. Have your last 4 digits and any verification codes ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.